Hi there, and welcome to my latest video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 of my favorite kitchen accessories that I use all the time. From gadgets that save me time to tools that help me create delicious meals, these are the items I can't live without. 1. Golden Egg Maker. This device makes a golden-colored egg which is very high in taste and quality by mixing the white and yolk. 2. The Portable Fruit and Vegetable Cleaner. The Portable Fruit and Vegetable Cleaner is a compact kitchen appliance designed to clean fruits and vegetables using capsules filled with cleaning agents. The machine is powered by a USB connection and features a capsule-shaped design. It is intended to remove dirt, bacteria, and pesticides from produce, making them safer and healthier to consume. 3. Electric Heating Lunchbox. The 12V/220V water-free electric heating lunchbox is a stainless steel 1.2L capacity lunchbox that keeps your food warm without the need for water. It comes with a car and household charging cable and keeps your food hot for several hours, making it perfect for use on the go. 4. Vegetable Slicer. A vegetable cutter is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to slice, chop, grate, and dice vegetables like carrots, potatoes, onions, and more. It comes with interchangeable attachments and a container to collect the sliced or diced vegetables. It also has a grater attachment for cheese and other vegetables. To use, attach the desired blade, insert the vegetable, and turn the handle. It can save a lot of time and effort in the kitchen, making it ideal for preparing salads or meals that require a lot of chopping and slicing. 5. Egg Splitter. The boiled egg opener or egg topper is a kitchen gadget that can be used to neatly cut off the top of a boiled egg, making it easier to eat or use in recipes. It typically includes a small blade or ring that slices through the eggshell with a gentle squeeze of the handles. Some models may also include a peeler or slicer for further preparation of the boiled egg. It's a useful tool for those who enjoy boiled eggs on a regular basis. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about these 5 awesome kitchen accessories. If you have any other favorite kitchen gadgets or tools, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this one.